Hello and welcome to DJI Pilot UK. Today, you will experience the breathtaking
X
thrill.
Technology, a part of Fly BVLOS Technology, began working on a version of the vehicle at the request of the UK Ministry of Defence to make it battle-ready. Flyby also collaborated with another company to discover the potential of firing its lightweight multi-role missile from the Hackle as part of this development. The engineering team from Flyby and Thales worked together on a rapid 6-week turnaround to build two Jackal drones, capable of firing the Thales lightweight multi-role missile. This had never been done before. This new iteration, dubbed Saiha, fired this missile in its first test firing in England towards the end of 2022. In further testing, the UAV successfully fired another Thales missile in a trial with the RAF in the spring of the following year. These tests proved the low recoil of the missiles, which meant that the drone could remain stable. This provides a much safer alternative to soldiers advancing with shoulder-fired weapons or crewed helicopters approaching enemy targets. The Jackal is a multi-purpose attack UAV which can fire multiple missiles. Its wingspan of 16.4 feet, roughly 5 meters, can carry a significant weight of up to 33 pounds, or about 15 kilograms. It also has an impressive range of 81 miles, or about 130 kilometers, at a maximum altitude of 13,100 feet, which is roughly 4,000 meters. The drone's ability to launch and support missiles engineered by Thales makes it capable of firing modern weapons in flight to destroy enemy targets. This is its main feature, but another useful attribute is that it has a plug-and-play system that allows it to incorporate new equipment and technologies into the aircraft between missions.